Yes, Christie.
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of Christie?
Yes, sir. Sir, Christie is the name given by my parents because they are they are believers of Christianity, and they want the principles of Christianity, like forgiveness, peace, to be reflected in my personality also. So that is the meaning of Christie's.
Oh, Christie means Christianity.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It's term. It doesn't have any specific inside meaning.
No, sir. It's
Okay.
yes.
And you are from Ongol.
Yes, sir.
It's very much visible.
Yes,
There is a variety of Ongol Gitta.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Tell me about this.
Yes, sir. Sir, Ongol breed of cattle is very famous because it gives higher yield of milk. Not only that, sir, but is also resistant to different varieties of diseases, and it also helps in the agriculture productivity of the state and also the district. So that's why it is very famous.
See, as you are talking about the cattle,
Yes.
and the buffaloes,
Yes.
We are a large producer of beef.
Yes, sir. Yes.
As we know, we don't consume beef, but we
Yes.
are a large producer of beef.
Yes.
So why we cannot excel in beef production, in beef industry?
Yes, sir. Sir, we are a nation where a majority of the population are Hindus, approximately 80%. We have a sacred affection with the cow and other cattle. So, production of beef industry in India is not a rising sector. But we as a nation, we export more beef to other nations. But it also affects hurts the interests of people, religious ideas of the people. So I believe it's one of the reason why it is not a thriving industry in our country, sir.
So in order to improve the industry of bovine,
Yes, sir.
what measures as a secretary to the Ministry of Agriculture, how you can take?
Yes.
What you will take?
Yes, sir. Sir, my first step would be awareness among the farmers, because most of the farmers are not aware how to address the issues of cattle development. And sir, recently the government has made many measures like Kisan credit cards, so that the farmers can also get enough credit to manage both the agricultural and allied sectors like the dairy industry. And we are also taking measures like bovine preservation, like insemination programs, and also disease prevention measures. And we are also increasing the yield by using artificial crossbreed insemination programs. So I believe these are the measures that we can do. And also, sir, investment in this sector must be increased, so that extension services, mostly in the dairy sector, because we are second in the dairy sector overall world. So that must be reflected in our economy also.
Dairy first or second we are?
As far as I remember, it is second, sir. I'll once again recheck and confirm.
Yeah. So you are from Sita Ramapuram.
Yes, sir.
Your village name is Sita Ramapuram, permanent address.
No, sir. It is the street name, sir.
Oh, it's a street name.
Yes, sir.
And the village name is called as Kondametta.
That is also the street name, sir.
Okay.
Two
Then
street
your
names.
city or your village name what?
Sir, Ongol urban
It's a
is
part
the,
of Ongol.
Yes, sir. Ongol urban is
It's
the
a
area.
Ongol, Sita Ramapuram of Kondametta area.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sita Ramapuram.
Yes, sir.
Do you believe Ramasetu was really there?
Sir, I'm to my belief, I believe there are archaeological evidences that confirm the existence of Ramasetu. So I definitely believe there is existence of it.
So if Ramasetu is there, then Ramayana is there.
Yes, sir.
So do you believe Ramayana happened?
Yes, sir. Definitely, sir. Ramayana is the history of what happened during the Lord Rama's era. So I definitely believe it is true, sir.
Any evidences you have?
No, sir. There are few evidences like as you have mentioned, Ramasetu is one of that evidence, and there are mentions of Garuda's footprint and etc., sir. So I believe to a certain extent these are the things that.
Okay. So your district is Prakasham.
Yes, sir.
Tell me few famous books of Prakasham Garu.
Sorry, sir, I'm not able to recollect right now.
Okay. What is the role of Prakasham Pantulu in freedom movement?
Yes, sir. So, Prakasham Pantul garu initiated the library movement, as far as I remember, and at the same time he fought for the rights of the people, and he fought for the liberation of state of Andhra Pradesh. So these are the contributions of Prakasham Pantul.
Okay. And you are also, it's very interesting, it's lawyer peta.
Yes, sir.
Lawyer peta, no, it is your father's address is lawyer peta.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. In Vijayawada.
Your father's present postal address is lawyer peta.
Lawyer pet. Yes, sir.
His lawyers are there.
Yes, sir. Most of the lawyers do their business in the state. So it's a certain name is given. So to lawyer pet.
Okay. What is the difference between a lawyer, advocate, and a pleader?
Sir, lawyer is the one who fights behalf of the case. He fights in the High Court or Supreme Court, whereas advocate, as far as I remember, I'm not able to recollect, sir.
See, there might be some difference. That is the
Yes,
reason
sir.
they are having different names.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, and you studied from Jamshedpur.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Jamshedpur is very famous for steel company.
Yes, sir. Still come.
But because of that huge company, few tribal communities got displaced.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Can you name few?
Sir, there are tribal communities like Munda, Hos, and Santal are the common tribes that have raised concerns regarding the steel industries.
So you are a district collector, and the government of India and the government of state government gave you the responsibility to establish an industry, but the local tribal people are resisting it.
Yes, sir.
So what steps you will take such that the industry should establish there?
Yes, sir.
But there is a violent movement is happening.
Yes, sir. Sir, my first step would be the preservation of law and order. And secondly, sir, my aim would be to convince the tribals so that there would be fair compensation. And there also must be effective rehabilitation, so that the displacement must be also, so that they don't feel out of the order. And secondly, sir, I would also improve, thirdly, sir, and also improve the interrelations between the steel plant and the tribals by providing employment to the tribals, so that the socio-economic development indicators also get increased to the tribal people. So I believe these 3 steps are very much necessary, sir.
Is there any policy called as NRRP?
NRP.
National Resettlement and Rehabilitation Policy 2007.
Sorry, sir, I'm not able to recall.
So you are coming from Jamshedpur, so you have to look into the tribal issues also.
Okay.
Your company name is called as Novoco Vistas.
Yes, sir. Yes,
What is that?
So Novoco Vistas is a French-based company. It is a subset of Nirmal based company.
Nirmal?
Yes, sir. Nirma. Sorry, sir.
Yeah.
Nirma based company. It excels in the Nirma based company excels in the washing detergents and household products. And Novoco Vistas is a name of French, is adopted from the French, which means building materials.
Okay.
Yes.
And you are also studied Chittorgarh. You are in
Yes.
NIT Chittorgarh.
No, sir. NIT Jamshedpur. I have worked in Chittorgarh.
Chittorgarh, yes.
Yes.
Which dynasty and which kingdom was present in Chittorgarh?
Sir, Rajput dynasty present most from the Mewar region was present. Raja Jai Singh was one of the king who ruled from the Chittorgarh region, sir.
Okay. See, there is something called as marble stone.
Yes, sir.
As you are from Rajasthan,
Yes, sir.
why this exclusive marble stone will come only from Rajasthan? In India, the marble is present in Rajasthan. What might be the geographical factors or topographic factors? Do you know?
No, sir, I'm not sure, but if possible, I can guess.
Okay, please.
Yes, sir. The possible reasons would be the area where Rajasthan lies is a high region of seismic activity, so that can be one of the reason. And the second also, sir, heredity is one of the reason where why marble is formed. For example, in Prakasham district also, Shimkurti is one of the region where the same black galaxy marble is explored. It is also a dry region. So I believe these two can be the possible reasons of why marble is found in the certain areas.
India, whether you believe that India is having the capacity to be called as Vishwaguru?
Definitely, sir. I believe India can be called that because we not only fight for our sovereignty, but we also fight for the global peace, global economic order, and maintaining rule-based order. For example, recently we have called for the induction of African nation into the G20, and we are also important voice in the Russia-Ukraine war, and we are also an important stakeholder in the Israel-Gaza issue. So I believe definitely, sir, India can be a key role and can be called as Vishwaguru. Yes.
Okay. Initially, when Trump was winning the elections, India celebrated.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Now, today, whether we have to celebrate or we have to feel sad.
Sir, I believe that depends on the person to person based and
Policy to policy
based, and also to on our nation present situation based. We must feel happy because we can see increased bilateral ties rather than regional grouping ties. And Trump's policies also have identified India as a key role in tackling China in the Pacific Ocean and Indian Ocean. And there are some concerns like increasing tariffs, and also the H-1B visa restrictions are some of the areas that we must discuss bilaterally with the US nation. So I believe it depends on the policies.
Okay. What is this 22nd Constitutional Amendment Act?
Sorry, sir, I'm not able to recall.
Okay. Please go through all things which is happening in USA now.
Yes, sir,
Okay.
definitely.
So you are a mechanical engineer.
Yes, sir.
Tell me Bernoulli's theorem.
So Bernoulli's theorem is a fluid mechanics principle which highlights that the flow density of different fluids. As far as I remember, this is what
Original theorem. What? It's a famous theorem, right? Bernoulli's.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir, I'm not able to.
Okay. What is entropy?
Sir, entropy is related to energy as far as I remember, but I couldn't say more.
Yes. Tell me about internal combustion engine, how it works.
Sorry, sir, I'm not able.
You are an mechanical engineer.
Yes, sir. It's been,
IC engines is one of the most important topic.
yes, sir. It's been there has been a 5 to 6 years gap, sir. So I could not refer to the books back again. So I would definitely.
What are the hubs of automobile industry in India?
Sir, can you please?
What are the automobile hubs?
Automobile hub. Sir, Pune is one of the industrial hub of automobile engineering. Mumbai is also one of the areas where automobile industry is flourishing. And recently the Kia manufacturing is also set in Anantapur. So we can see a lot of manufacturing hubs in Andhra Pradesh.
In USA, what are the automobile hubs?
Sir, Detroit is one of the area where automobiles are quite famous. We can see more automobiles exporting from Detroit region.
Okay.
So as far as I recollect, that is one of the areas I can remember. Sir.
Okay. There is a saying that the automobile industry, why? Because you are a mechanical engineer, so the automobile industries are shifting from Pune to Chennai. Is it so?
Sir, I'm not sure about this fact, sir.
Okay. You are also a playing cricket and football, analyzing modern football.
Yes, sir.
Analyzing modern football, why only South America is famous for football?
Sir, South America, the football culture in South America is from the grassroots level. They literally play, breathe, and eat football. So, and there are also many clubs which identify talents from the early level. The scouting is also one of the reason why South America is flourishing in this industry. And they particularly play a style of football called as Joga Bonita, where they improve their skills, individualistic skills. So I believe that is the reason why South America is flourishing in this industry.
Any their physical appearance or their bodily thing which is benefiting football?
No, sir. It's not the physical appearance, but it's the flair with the flair, the way they play football. Because most of the Brazilian football players are very much skillful. They can tackle one-on-ones. They can take one-on-ones. So that's the reason, sir. It's not the athletic or gene type, but it's rather than the style.
Yes, it's not gene type.
No,
Yes.
sir. No, sir.
So you are from Sitarampapuram.
Yes.
Now, right now, a very big event is happening in India. What is that?
Sir, Kumbh Mela is happening in Uttar Pradesh.
So in Kumbh Mela, we are noticing one particular peculiar thing whereby we are coming across educated people becoming sadhus. Like one person became so much viral, IIT Baba.
Yes.
So is it not that studying in a very big institution and the government is spending taxpayers' money and they are getting the education and they are not using it for the welfare of the society or for the paying taxes rather than leaving that institutions and becoming sadhus? How you see into it?
Sir, I believe it depends on one person to another person. There are many people who come from the IITs and NITs. They are pursuing many things like they have becoming they have become software engineers. They have become IAS. They have become IFS, and there are also people who have pursued this side. But I believe it's because of the increasing modernization and increasing pressure on work cultures, increasing expectations of the parents and the society. So I believe these are the reasons why they have turned to this. And I believe NITs and IITs are one of the engineering marvels of our country. And there are many people who are giving back to the society. And I, for example, from NIT Jamshedpur, and I want to contribute to the country by not going for brain drain rather than brain gain.
Okay. Yes, won twice and awarded MVP in basketball. There is something called as NBA
Yes, sir.
tournaments. What is this NBA tournaments?
Sir, NBA tournaments is the landmark tournament that happens in United States of America. It is a club-based basketball tournament where a particular region have a club and they participate in the tournament, sir. It is a season consists of 84 season games.
Oh.
And then the playoff game starts, and there are two conferences particularly from Western Conference and Eastern Conference. And then the one team from each conference will play the finals, and then the final team who wins will be awarded as the NBA champions.
Okay. Yes. So why only cricket?
Yes. Sir, I believe it's one of the sport where I was very much interested because I grew up watching cricket in the TV, and that fascinated me a lot. And cricket is one of the sport where I can interact with most of my friends. It is we can say it is the common ground where most of our friends can engage in an activity. And I believe my capabilities like leadership, be it encouraging. So I also found the same where I can excel and show my capabilities in the cricket games.
Okay. So you are also head of industrial and alumni relations in your college.
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between industry scheme? So industrialization. What is the difference between CIS and NMIZ?
Sorry, sir, I'm not able to.
CIS, Special Economic
Yes,
Zone.
sir. Special Economic Zone, National Manufacturing Zone is one of the. Sir, differences I'm not able to recollect, sir, but I believe those are special enclaves where duty is exempted so that they can manufacture and export to the countries and increase our manufacturing share of our GDPs.
So from your own state, there was a stampede in one movie.
Yes, sir.
And 2 days back also we have a stampede in Kumbh Mela.
Yes, sir.
So if you are a district collector given with proper cover,
Yes.
proper powers,
Yes.
what steps you will take in order to reduce this stampede?
Sir, firstly, my step would be forecasting the how many people are coming to this event. It is very much necessary because without any forecasting, we can't do enough measures. Secondly, sir, my administration would be mostly on segregating people phase wise, because to the main event we must gradually segregate event so that there must not be enough stampedes in the whole event. And also, sir, enough work man force must be provided from the state government. And these are the steps I believe can be taken, sir. But also we can use technology like AI where we can identify the prone regions where stampedes regularly occur, and at the same time, sir, we can inform people on in case of overcrowding through SMSs or through announcements. So I believe these are the measures I would be taking, sir.
Okay. This is your fourth attempt, right?
No, sir. Fifth attempt and
attempt.
first interviews.
First interview, okay.
Yes.
Is it not taking so long without working anywhere? Why you are taking this much of time?
Sir, I believe UPSC, but in particular civil services, require candidates of attributes like hardworking, knowing more about the present socio-economic conditions and present societal and also the geopolitical situations in the world. And I believe when I completed my graduation, I was nowhere near the candidate that the civil services required. And with gradual increase of years, I was able to become a person of what the civil services required. And coming from the years that wasted, I don't believe the years were wasted. I was able to accumulate more, large amount of knowledge, and I believe it made me a better person, so that I can be an important citizen that can give back to the society. And also with the support of my parents, this was possible, sir.
Okay. So, Prakasham district is a landlocked district or a coastal district?
Sir, Prakasham district is a coastal district, sir, of Andhra Pradesh.
So, very big problem which Andhra Pradesh faces, mainly the cyclones.
Yes, sir.
So, the same disaster management, how you will be managing the cyclones in your district if you are posted as a DC?
Yes, sir. Sir, again, my first preference would be forecasting, because as you have mentioned, Prakasham is one of the cyclone prone regions. So forecasting and continuous regular monitoring is one of the first and primary steps that must be taken. And secondly, sir, the coastal regions that are prone, mainly the fisher communities that live on the coastal communities, must be addressed immediately, and also they must be in communication consistently, so that in any case of a cyclone or a tufan can be tackled and they can be evacuated immediately. And sir, infrastructure along the coastline must be also developed, like cyclone shelter beds and sand beds can also be made. So I believe these are the steps that can be improved.
Whether stampede has been identified as a disaster under NDMA?
No, sir. The stampede has not yet been identified as a disaster.
So it's a recommendation.
Yes, sir. I believe it must be made, because India is one of the country where we have more tourist places and more cultural places.
More population.
More population also, sir. And we have also more tourists coming to visit this. So I believe this must be made disaster, so that proper identification of this issue and also proper challenges can be addressed by these steps.
Okay. So you are a very good basketball player.
Yes.
Then what steps we can take such that the football and basketball will flourish and can not replace but can be added as an additional for cricket?
Yes, sir. As we have seen, cricket is one of the main sport in our country. Rather than a sport, it is a religion, as we can say. Sir, for basketball and football, it is mostly in tier 1 and tier 2 cities, to my knowledge. So we must encourage this football and basketball culture in the rural areas by starting programs like we have started Kalo India, where we are identifying people and we're also encouraging people to pursue this sport from the grassroots.
So it starts from Sarpanch, from Gram Panchayat level.
From Gram Panchayat and rural areas, grassroots development, sir. And from then, sir, we must identify people and we must encourage them. There must be also a fast tracking scheme for certain people, so that we can improve the quality of the game. And also, sir, there must be a tournament like IPL in this respective games. There is
How
an
we have Kabaddi.
Yes, sir. There is an ISL in football. So similarly, this must be also brought in basketball, so that there can be more awareness among the people and more people can also pursue this sport. And we must also increase infrastructure and equipment in this particular area, because these two sports require specific model of courts where they must be played. So I believe these can be so these are the steps that can be taken.
Okay. See, I tell that recently announced Padma Awards.
Yes.
Andhra Pradesh got 4 Padma Awards.
Yes.
Can you name them?
Sir, I have to look into it. Sir.
Okay. And I also tell that Padma Awards are, you are aware of Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan.
I'm aware, sir, but I'm not aware the.
Who got it?
Yes.
So I tell that there is a politicization of Padma Awards. What do you say?
Sir, I believe to a certain extent it is possible because there is no clear-cut guidelines of who can be awarded, who cannot be awarded. So I believe to address this, there must be clear guidelines of the achievements that can be taken. Recently, there was an issue of sports. In the sports also, there was an issue where the Olympic medal bronze medalist was not awarded. There are two sections of people who are supporting the who supporting the awardee and who are against the awardee also. So the government must give a clear guidelines who can achieve this or who cannot achieve this, so that the issues of this can be resolved.
Okay, very good.